Hi students, today we are going to learn exercise 5.3. Before moving to exercise, let us learn slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is nothing but a line with a slope m, as we learned already, line with a slope m, and y-intercept c can be expressed through the equation y is equal to mx plus c. And through point slope form, m is equal to tan theta. So slope is equal to tan theta is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. When the equation of a required line, when you have to find the equation of a required straight line, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 to find the equation of a required line. And when it is 2-point form, when two distinct points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given, m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And be careful that x2 is not equal to x1. And through that we get y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. When it is 2 points, that is x1, x2 and x1 y1 and x2 y2. And through intercept form, let P and Q be a line meeting at x-axis at A and y-axis at B. So in a graph, here when the line meets at, okay, let P and Q be a line meeting at x-axis and y-axis at B, x-axis at A and y-axis at B, OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B. So taking y minus 0 divided by B minus 0 is equal to x minus A divided by 0 minus A. So from that we get the equation x divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1. Now let us move on to exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the midpoint of a line segment joining the points 1, minus 5 and 4, 2 and parallel to x-axis when it is parallel to y-axis. So first of all, here it is given as line segment joining the points. So take midpoint of, find midpoint. So midpoint of 1, minus 5 and 4, 2. Taking this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. And now x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, x1 1 plus x2 is 4 divided by 2. Okay, comma y1 minus 5, y2 plus 2 divided by 2. So 4 plus 1 5 by 2. And different sign 5 minus 2 3 minus 3 by 2. So midpoint is 5 divided by 2 and minus 3 by 2. Taking this as x and y. Okay. Now let us find of a line segment joining the point parallel to x-axis. When it is parallel to x-axis, x-axis, slope is not given. So slope is equal to, so take slope as 0. It is not given. So when it is given, when we are asked us to find the equation of a straight line, so the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Okay. Now here y minus y1, taking the points from the midpoint. So 5 divided by 2 is x1 and minus 3 by 2 is y1. So y1 and x1. So y1 is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2, while it comes here it becomes plus 3 by 2 is equal to m. Slope is not given, so 0 and x minus x1. So x is not here. So x1 is 5 by 2. Okay, now y plus 3 by 2 is equal to, when it is multiplied with 0, it is 0. Now multiply. So 2 into y, 2y plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Now multiply So 2y plus 3 is equal to 2 into 0, it is 0. So therefore, the line parallel to x-axis is equal to 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. And question number 2. And when it is parallel to y-axis. So when it is parallel to y-axis, we have to take the point of x, 5 divided by 2. So therefore, when it is parallel to y-axis, x is equal to 5 by 2. So now, multiply 2 into x, 2x is equal to 5, and the next step 2x plus 5, while it comes to the left side it becomes minus 5 is equal to 0. And when the line parallel to y-axis, the equation is 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Question number 2, equation of a straight line 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Find its slope, inclination and intercepts on y-axis. Okay, the equation of a straight line 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Multiply 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into y, 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. And have 2 minus 2y is equal to plus 2x. When it comes here, it becomes minus 2x plus 5 is minus 5. Okay, now minus is common, so remove minus. 2y is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, y is equal to 2x divided by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay, each term divide by 2, so that y is equal to 2 cancel, x plus 5 by 2. Okay, and then we are asked us to find the slope. So slope of a straight line when it is multiplied with 1, x plus 5 by 2. So slope of a straight line is 1. So slope is equal to 1. And intercept on y-axis, y-intercepts is equal to, y-intercepts is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, and therefore angle of inclination slope, that is m is equal to tan theta. Okay, and tan theta is equal to 1, and therefore tan 1 is equal to 45 degree. Question number 3. Find the equation of a line whose inclination is 30 degree and making an intercept minus 3 on y-axis. So angle of inclination is equal to 30 degree. So slope of a line is equal to 30 degree. So m is equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, and now y-intercept c is equal to minus 3. Okay, now so y is equal to mx plus c. Because find the equation of a line. Equation of line, y is equal to mx plus c. So substitute the value. M is 1 by root 3 x plus c is minus 3, so c minus 3, and y. Okay, now multiply, so root 3 into y, root 3y is equal to 1 by root 3, so multiply with both 1 by step, write as root 3y is equal to 1 by root 3x minus 3 root 3x. So 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So removing 1 by root 3, x minus 3 root 3. Okay, now having taking y to the right side. So x plus root 3y will become minus root 3. Minus root 3y. Minus 3 root 3. Okay, therefore equation of a line is x minus root 3y minus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Question number 4. Find the slope and y-intercepts of root 3x plus 1 minus root 3y is equal to 3. So you have to find the slope and y-intercepts. So take the equation. From equation, root 3x plus 1 minus root 3y is equal to 3. So frame according to y is equal to mx plus c. So 1 minus root 3y is equal to plus root 3x will become minus root 3x plus 3. Okay. Now having y is equal to minus root 3x divided by 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3 plus 3, again here 1 minus root 3. Now you can see the equation is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Now consider, now take m is equal to root 3 minus root 3 by 1 minus root 3. Okay, so and c is equal to 3 by 1 minus root 3. Okay, now so therefore y is equal to mx plus c, mx plus c. So m is slope. So here find the slope and y-intercepts. So to find slope, m is equal to minus root 3 by 1 minus root 3. So hence it is 1 minus root 3 conjugate minus root 3 into minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3. So when it comes here for conjugation, 1 plus root 3 both to the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, now multiply 1 into root 3 plus into minus root 3 3 divided by 1 into 1 plus into minus root 3 3. Okay, in the next step here minus root 3, minus is common. I will just write like this, minus root 3 1 minus root 3. So minus 2. Minus is common, is equal to minus root 3 plus 3 by 2. So therefore slope is equal to m is equal to minus root 3 plus 3 by 2. Y-intercept c. So c is equal to 3 by 1 minus root 3. So c is equal to 3 by 1 minus root 3. So 3, 1 minus root 3. Here 1 minus root 3. So conjugate 1 plus root 3. Both to the numerator as well as denominator. Now multiply 1 into 3 plus 3 into root 3 root 3. Divided by 1 into 1 plus into minus root 3 3. Okay, and 3 plus 3 root 3. 1 minus 3. 3 is greater, so minus 2. Okay, now c is equal to minus 3 plus 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, and here both numerator as well as denominator slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, substitute the values. Y2 is 5 minus y1 is 3 by x2 8 minus x1 will become plus 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 8 plus 2 is 10. So 1 2s are 5 2s are. Therefore m is equal to 1 by 5. Taking this as m1. Okay, and then find the value of a. So you have to find the value of a. Thus when it is perpendicular to y is equal to ax plus 2. So from this, when it is perpendicular, so y is equal to ax plus 2. So as for formula, y is equal to mx plus c. So taking m, that is m is equal to a. Okay. So therefore m2 is equal to a. So here we have slope m1 is 1 by 5 and m2 is equal to a. Okay. And it is perpendicular. And it is perpendicular. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, m1. What is m1? m1 is 1 by 5 and m2 is a is equal to minus 1. Now have a is equal to minus 1. While 1 by 5 goes to the right side, it becomes 5 by 1. So therefore a is equal to 1 5s are 5. Plus into minus minus. A is equal to minus 5. Question number 6. The hill in the form of a right triangle has its foot 19, 3. The inclination of the hill to the ground is 45 degrees. Find the equation of the hill joining the foot and the top. So here, taking this as A, B and C. The hill in the form of right angle triangle has its foot 19, 3. So taking B as 19, 3. Okay, the inclination to the hill to the ground is 45 degree. So take 45 degree. Okay, and now find the equation of the hill joining the foot and the top. So now slope m is equal to tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So therefore m is equal to 1. Okay, and when we are asked to find the equation, I have to consider the formula equation of hill joining the foot and the top. Joining the foot and the top is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Okay, and already the hill in the form of right angle triangle, the foot is 19, 3. So taking this as x1, y1. Okay, now substitute the value y minus y1. y1 is 3 is equal to m. M is 1. So x we don't know, minus x1. x1 is 19. Okay, now y minus 3 is equal to 1 into x minus 1 into 19. The next step. So y minus 3 is equal to x minus 19. Now rearrange. Here put 0, x plus y. When it comes here to the right side, it becomes minus y, and minus 3 becomes plus 3 minus 19. Okay, is equal to x minus y. Different sign, plus 3 minus 19. Different sign, subtract. 19 minus 3 is 16. So therefore the equation is x minus y minus 16 is equal to 0. formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, now here we can consider the point as x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, now substitute the values. So we don't know what is y, so y minus y1. y1 is 2 by 3 divided by y2. y2 minus 2 minus y1. y1 is 2 by 3 is equal to x minus x1. x, we don't know what is x, so x minus x1 2 divided by x2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, and then minus x1. x1 is 2. Okay, now write y minus 2 by 3. So now cross multiply 3 into y, 3y minus 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 divided by, and cross multiply 3 2s are 6 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, is equal to x minus 2. x minus 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. 2 is a whole number and 1 by 2 is a fractional number. So here if we go with 1, so cross multiply 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 divided by 1 2s are 2. Okay, and in the next step, here we can see denominator 3 cancel. We have 3y minus 2 by minus 6 minus 2. Same sign add. So minus 8 is equal to x minus 2 by same sign add minus 5 by 2. Okay, and in the next step here you can see minus 5 by 2. Here it goes for reciprocal. The next step, here we have 3y minus 2 divided by minus 8 is equal to x minus 2 divided by minus 5 by 2. So 2 goes for multiplication. So here write minus 5 and within bracket 2. Okay, now cross multiply minus 5 3y minus 2 is equal to, here we have 8 2s are 16 minus 16 within bracket x minus 2. Okay, now multiply 5 3s are 15y minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10 is equal to 16 into x minus 16x minus into minus plus 16 into 2 32. Okay, now here take x to the left side, minus 16 will become plus 16x and minus 15y plus 10 and take plus 32 to the left side, becomes minus 32 is equal to 0. Okay, now 16x is minus 15y, different sign, so 32 minus 10 is 22. So 32 is greater, minus 22 is equal to 0. So equation of a line passing through the given two pair of points. When the point is given, you have to use y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So the equation is 16x minus 15y minus 22 is equal to 0. Question number 7. Find the equation of a line through the given pair of points and sub-question 2, 3 and minus 7, minus 1. Here, when the points are given, to find the equation, use y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, now take this point as x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, so now here y minus y1, y1 is 3 divided by y2, y2 is minus 1 and y1 is 3 is equal to x minus x1. X is 2 minus x1. X we don't know, so write as x. X minus x1 is 2 divided by x2. x2 is minus 7 minus x1 2. Okay, now here y minus 3 by same sign add minus 4 is equal to x minus 2, okay, divided by same sign add minus 9. Now cross multiply taking minus 9 within bracket y minus 3 is equal to, and here cross multiply minus 4 within bracket x minus 2. Okay, now multiply minus 9 into y minus 9y, okay, and minus into minus plus 9 3s are 27 is equal to, and minus 4 into x minus 4x, okay, minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, okay, and now here minus 9y plus 27 minus 4x, while it comes here it becomes plus 4x, and plus 8 while it comes here it becomes minus 8 is equal to 0. Now arrange 4x minus 9y, okay, now 27 minus 8, so it is 27 minus 8. Now subtract, okay, 19. So here we have 27 is greater, so plus 19 is equal to 0. Therefore the equation which is passing through the given pair of point is 4x minus 9y plus 19 is equal to 0. Question number 8. A cat is located at the point minus 6, minus 4 in xy plane. A bottle of milk is kept at 5, 11. The cat wishes to consume the milk traveling through the shortest possible distance. So find the equation of the path it needs to take its milk. Now let the line. A cat is located at a point, so we can take this as A. So 6, minus 4. So the cat is at the point A and the milk is kept here at point B. Okay, now a bottle of milk is kept at the point 5, minus 11. So here the milk is, to consume the milk the cat has to move from A to B. So find the equation of the path it needs to take its milk. Okay. The equation of the path taking this as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, now substitute the values of y1, x1. So here y minus y1 we don't have y, so y minus y1 is minus 4. Minus 4 when it comes here it becomes plus 4 divided by y2. So y2 is 11 minus y1 is minus 4. So minus 4 when it comes here it becomes plus 4 is equal to x. We don't know the value of x minus x1 is minus 6. Minus 6 when it comes here it becomes plus 6 divided by x2 is 5 minus x1 is minus 6. Minus 6 when it comes here it becomes plus 6. Now y plus 4 divided by 11 plus 4, 15 is equal to x plus 6 divided by 5 plus 11, 6, 11. Okay, now cross multiply 11 within bracket y plus 4 is equal to 15 within bracket x plus 6. Okay, now multiply 11 into y, 11y plus 11 4s are 44 is equal to 15 into x, 15x plus 15 into 6. So 6 5s are 30, 0 3, 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, now 6 5s are 30, 0, remaining 3, 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 3, 19. And the next step, take plus 15, when it comes here it becomes minus 15x plus 11y, okay, plus 44 plus 90, when it moves to the 6, 8 minus 4 is 46. Minus 46 is equal to 0. So now here we have negative sign before x. So to remove that, 15x gives us minus 2 other variables, that is minus 11, so that it will become minus 11 and this one will be plus 46 is equal to 0. So the cat has to move the path of 15x minus 11y plus 46 is equal to 0 to take its milk. Question number 9. Find the equation of the median and altitude of triangle ABC through A, where the vertices are A, B and C. The points are given here. Triangle ABC. So the points are, for A it is 6, 2 and B minus 5, minus 1 and C 1, 9. And it is given as through A. So now through A, so it joins at BC. So midpoint of BC is, let us mark it as D. So first, to find the median, find the midpoint of BC. Okay, so midpoint of BC, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, now the points are minus 5, minus 1 and 1, 9. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Now x1 minus 5 plus x2 1 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 minus 1 plus y2 plus 9 divided by 2. So different sign, 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 is greater, so minus 4 by 2, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 2. Okay, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2, 4s are. So the points are minus 2, 4. Okay, midpoint of BC is equal to minus 2, 4. So the BC, that is the point is D. So minus 2, 4. After finding the midpoint of BC, let us find the slope of AD. So slope of, this is like median of triangle ABC. Now take the point as A and D. So point AD 6, 2 and minus 2, 4. Okay, now at y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now consider this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, substitute the values. Y is y minus y1. y1 is 2 divided by y2. y2 is 4 minus y1 2 is equal to x minus x1. X is 6 minus x minus x1. x1 is 6 divided by x2 minus 2 minus x1. x1 is 6. Okay, now here y minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 is equal to x minus 6. x minus 6 divided by same sign minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. So now cross multiply 8 within bracket y minus 2 is equal to cross multiply 2 within bracket x minus 6. Okay, 8 into y, 8y minus 8 2s are 16 is equal to 2 into x, 2x minus 6 2s are 12. Okay, now minus 8y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us find the altitude of triangle ABC. So altitude of triangle ABC. Okay, now to find altitude of triangle ABC, first find slope of BC. So slope of BC. So the points are minus 5 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 9. Okay, making this as x1, y1, x2, y2. So slope of BC is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now substitute the values y2 9 minus y1 minus 1. So minus 1 when it comes here it becomes plus 1 divided by x2 1 minus x1. So x1 is minus 5. When it comes here it becomes plus 5. Okay. So 9 plus 1 10 divided by 5 plus 1 6. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So therefore slope of BC is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, now slope of the altitude. Slope of the altitude is equal to, now here we have slope of BC is equal to 5 by 3. As you know, m1 into m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So slope of BC will become minus 3 by 5. Okay, now let us find the altitude of the triangle. When the slope, the point is given, slope that is m is given. So slope m is minus 3 by 5. Okay, so y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So here slope of triangle ABC, so A to D. So the points are 6 comma minus 2. So here we have 6 comma 2 as x1 y1. Now here we don't have the value of y, right? Y as it is, y1 is 2m, slope minus 3 by 5. And within bracket x minus 1. x1 is 6. Now y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Just multiply minus 3 by 5 into x, minus 3 by 5x, and here plus minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18 divided by 5. Okay, now y minus 2 is equal to, take the way here, take minus 2 to the right side. So here y is equal to minus 3 by 5x plus 18 by 5 minus 2, when it comes here it becomes plus 2. So to make it even, multiply both numerator and denominator with 5. Okay, so this minus 3 by 5 x plus 18 by 5 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 5. Okay, and here y also must be multiplied with 5. So 5 into y, 5y. Now removing 5, the denominator. So write minus 3x plus 18 plus 10. Okay, now this is 0, minus 3x minus 5y, same sign, plus 28 is equal to 0. So the equation of the triangle, altitude of the triangle is minus 3x minus 5x minus 5y plus 28 is equal to 0. So here you can see x is negative. So to remove negative before x, so rewrite the equation as 3x. So minus will become plus 5y